Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-32795 error in Oracle database 12c. So here you can see that I already logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#card. So now I am going to create one table called identity demo, which contains two columns. One column is ID number, another column is name column. So this ID number column is contains number data type generated always as identity. Okay, it's identity column. Okay, so now I am creating the table. Table is created successfully. Now I am going to insert some values to identity demo manually. So I am going to insert both the values ID number and name manually. Okay, so let us see what is going to happen. Yes, you can see ORA-32795 cannot insert into a generated always identity column. So what is the problem here is I try to insert the auto generated identity column. Okay, so which is not allowed here. You can insert only columns which require manual insert. Okay, so name column you can insert manually. So that requires manual intervention. So ID number column is an auto generated column. Okay, you cannot insert manually. So that is the cause of this ORA-32795. So you can see after inserting some values to name column, that ID number is generated automatically. Okay, once again let me insert. Okay, you can see two records insert. So this is the fix for ORA-32795 cannot insert into a generated always identity column.